Orbit Industries presents the Universal Mounting Adjustable Box. The UMAB series takes all the guesswork out of installing notification devices, downlights, and datacom outlets. Just set the UMAB to the precise depth you need, mount it on a stud frame or bracket, and you're done. Significantly reduce planning time, cut assembly time in half, and simplify your order process. Before, there wasn't an off-the-shelf solution for bulky fire alarm and signaling devices. Wall mounting these devices required lots of tedious measurement. Ceiling installations were clunky at best, and just planning these systems took forever. Orbit's UMAB series combines two parts into one solution. Mount extra deep 4-square boxes up to 2.5 times faster than before. Just loosen 2 screws to adjust a box from flush to 1.5-inch raised. With Orbit's Universal Mounting Adjustable Box, your mounting options are wide open. Mount direct to closed or open sides of a wall stud. To mount the UMAB between studs, pair with Orbit's Simple Support Bracket, or SSB. UMAB snaps on without tools. Expand the bracket from 15 to 25 inches. Together, the UMAB and SSB give you 6-way adjustability. You can take the same wall system and use it between hard lid ceiling joists. There's even a solution for drop-in grid ceilings with Orbit's SSB T-bar. Just preset the UMAB to its final position and secure with tech screws. Drop the SSB T-bar into the grid and lock it down. The UMAB and SSB systems feature seismic wiring holes, so you can pass any building inspection. Order the UMAB in galvanized steel or with the red powder coat finish. So spend less time poring over plans. Spend even less time making up boxes, and rough in oversized devices faster than ever with Orbit's Universal Mounting Adjustable Box. Orbit Industries, your solutions-based electrical manufacturer.